Hello quilt friends, welcome back to week 5 of the Laurel Wreath Sew Along. This week we are doing steps 5 and 6, and what you're going to want to do is grab some of your blocks from last week. You're going to do 4 like this block with the green tree print and the red winter mix print in the upper corner, and then 4 blocks that have the same green print but the other red print. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some navy background pieces here. You can see I added one to the bottom, just like this. Now we're going to add another little strip along the right side so it looks like this. So again, you will have 4 each of the 2 different reds. Then we're going to take some of the blocks that we did in step 3 and we're going to add some little navy rectangles on the top. So there's the small piece. It'll look like that, the small green piece, and then you're going to take those larger green pieces that we made and also sew the little navy rectangle to the top. Then we're going to start adding them to our blocks like this. So there's the smaller piece sewn along the bottom. Then you're going to sew the larger green piece to the other side and sew that together. So you will have a total of 8 blocks, 4 each, using the 2 different reds. Then what we're going to do is we're going to sew some background pieces to it. You can see 2 navy background pieces sewn to that red, and then 3 navy pieces and the other red block. So make 4 each of those 2 different sections. And then we're going to grab our remaining blocks from step 4, and we're going to add some more little navy border strips to the top 2 corners. So you can see I've got 2 different greens and then 2 different reds. So that's a wrap for this week. Next week we're going to come back and work on steps 7 through 9. So here are all of our blocks together so far, looking fun and cheerful.